Welcome to the top best. The best Cookbook Bake is probably one of the most versatile and essential tools in any modern kitchen, offering a unique blend of convenience and culinary creativity that can elevate your home cooking to professional levels. Whether you're a seasoned chef looking to experiment with new techniques or a beginner eager to explore the world of baking and roasting, this appliance promises consistent results and a delightful cooking experience. Its innovative features are designed to simplify complex recipes, reduce cooking times, and ensure that every dish you prepare is perfectly cooked, from delicate pastries to hearty roasts, making it an indispensable addition to your culinary arsenal. Number 5. The Complete Baking Book for Young Chefs. Discover a world of delicious possibilities with over 100 sweet and savory recipes. This book is your ultimate guide to baking fun. From delightful desserts to savory snacks, you'll find a recipe for every occasion. Get ready to create treats you'll adore. Learn to bake with confidence and share your creations with friends and family. These recipes are designed for everyone to enjoy. Specially curated for aspiring young bakers, this book makes learning fun and rewarding. It's the perfect companion for your culinary adventures. Explore a wide range of flavors, from sweet pastries to savory pies. You'll love the variety and the delicious results. Embark on a journey of taste and creativity. This book provides everything you need to become a confident and skilled baker. What we like. This cookbook is designed for young aspiring bakers. It offers over 100 delicious recipes that kids will love to make and share. If you're looking for a way to get your children involved in the kitchen and teach them baking skills, this is the perfect choice. What people say. This cookbook is packed with a wide variety of recipes, from simple weeknight meals to elaborate desserts. The instructions are clear and easy to follow, even for beginner bakers. The photography in this cookbook is stunning, with beautiful images of each dish that make you want to start baking immediately. Number 4. The Complete Air Fryer Cookbook. Discover a world of delicious possibilities with your air fryer. This cookbook is your ultimate guide to mastering it. From crispy fries to perfectly roasted vegetables, explore a wide range of cooking methods. It makes every meal simple and tasty. Enjoy recipes that are designed for simplicity and speed. You'll be creating amazing dishes in no time. This cookbook is packed with practical tips and mouth-watering recipes. It's the perfect addition to your kitchen arsenal. Achieve healthier versions of your favorite fried foods without the guilt. Enjoy flavorful meals that are good for you. Elevate your cooking experience with this comprehensive guide. Get ready to impress yourself and your loved ones with incredible meals. What we like. This cookbook focuses on maximizing your air fryer's potential. It provides simple recipes for frying, baking, grilling, and roasting. If you want to explore a wide range of dishes using your air fryer with minimal effort, this is the cookbook for you. What people say. This cookbook is a great resource for bakers of all levels. It features a wide variety of recipes, from simple cookies to elaborate cakes. The instructions are clear and easy to follow, with helpful tips and techniques. Number 3. Kids Chef Bakes, the Kids Cookbook. Are you ready to create delicious treats? This cookbook is your perfect guide to becoming a baking star. Discover fun and simple recipes designed for young chefs. We make baking accessible and enjoyable for everyone. Explore a world of flavors, from delightful cookies to magnificent cakes. You'll find a recipe for every occasion. Follow our clear, step-by-step instructions. We'll guide you through each stage of the baking process with ease. It's time to bake, learn new skills, and most importantly, enjoy the delicious results. Get ready for some kitchen fun. What we like. Designed specifically for young chefs, this book makes baking accessible and fun. It features recipes that are easy for kids to follow and enjoy. If you have a child who is eager to start baking and wants to create treats they can be proud of, this is an excellent starting point. What people say. This cookbook has a great variety of recipes. The instructions are clear and easy to follow. The photography in this cookbook is stunning. Number 2. Bake, my best ever recipes for the classics. Unlock the secrets to timeless dishes. This collection brings you the ultimate versions of your favorite classic recipes. Achieve culinary excellence with ease. These recipes are designed for success, ensuring delicious results every time. Find inspiration for any occasion. It's the perfect resource for creating memorable meals that everyone will love. Discover recipes that have stood the test of time. Each one is a guaranteed hit for family and friends. Elevate your cooking with the best of the best. These are the definitive recipes you'll turn to again and again. What we like. This cookbook offers a curated collection of the best classic baking recipes. Each recipe has been perfected for outstanding results. If you're a home baker who appreciates tried and true favorites and wants to achieve consistently delicious outcomes, this is a must-have addition to your kitchen. What people say. This cookbook is filled with delicious and easy-to-follow recipes. The photography in this cookbook is stunning, making each dish look even more appetizing. I love the variety of recipes included, from quick weeknight meals to more elaborate desserts. Number 1. Bake from Scratch Volume 5, Artisan Recipes. Discover the joy of artisan baking with our latest volume. This collection is designed for the passionate home baker looking to elevate their skills. In Volume 5, we delve into sophisticated techniques and classic recipes. It's your guide to creating bakery-quality goods right in your own kitchen. Learn to craft delicious breads, pastries, and desserts from the very beginning. We believe in the satisfaction of making it yourself. Unlock the secrets to perfect texture and flavor. Our expert advice will help you achieve professional results every time you bake. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned baker, this book offers inspiration and practical guidance. Transform your baking with these artisan recipes. What we like. This volume delves into artisan baking techniques for the home enthusiast. It provides sophisticated recipes that elevate your baking skills. If you are passionate about crafting high-quality, artisanal baked goods and want to explore more advanced methods in your own kitchen, this book will inspire you. What people say. This cookbook is a great resource for beginner bakers, offering clear instructions and helpful tips. The recipes are well-tested and consistently produce delicious results. Features a wide variety of recipes, from simple cookies to elaborate cakes, catering to different skill levels. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.